Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle guys, practically modern vehicle. If you have engine light on, you scan the code and you find something like oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 1 and you're trying to figure out, okay, is sensor 1 upstream or downstream oxygen sensor? Upstream means before the catalytic converter, downstream means after the catalytic converter. Stay with us, we'll explain all that today guys. In addition, we will explain which computer we use for car diagnostics, because many of you guys constantly request that information guys in the comment section below. So all that will be covered today. Let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Now you wonder why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you have a vehicle and you want to learn more about diagnostics, fixing electric components, testing and all that stuff, we have a special channel for that. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, subscribe as well guys. We will have so much information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs. So with all that being said, let's explain now, is bank 1 sensor 1 upstream or downstream oxygen sensor? So we'll demonstrate on this Hyundai guys, because it's super easy to work on right here and I can clearly show you, but practically guys, any car will be that way. This is the Hyundai. This is a 4-cylinder engine. I'm going to remove that upper engine cover. We don't need it at all. Okay, it's gonna come out. Perfect. Now, looking at your engine guys, usually on one side of the 4-cylinder engine you have the intake manifold, on the other side you will have the exhaust manifold. The oxygen sensors are located on the exhaust manifold. Now, before we continue guys, what is an upstream and downstream oxygen sensor? The upstream oxygen sensor is right before the catalytic converter usually guys. Okay, it's that sensor right there. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in a little bit, you can see this sensor right there. The purpose of the upstream oxygen sensor is to detect the amount of fuel and air in the exhaust, and it's going to tell the engine computer if there is a lean or rich fuel mixture, so the engine computer can adjust things and have the best fuel mixture so the engine is efficient, not polluting and powerful at the same time. Now, that's the purpose of the upstream oxygen sensor. What about the downstream oxygen sensor? Pretty simple guys. Okay, let me go under this vehicle now. Okay, bear with me for just a second. I'm crawling here. Okay. That sensor right here guys, this is known as the downstream oxygen sensor. The purpose of that sensor is usually it's located on the catalytic converter or right after the catalytic converter. And it will be, if it's on the catalytic converter, it's on the exit side of the catalytic converter. And what it does, it detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job and if it's cleaning the exhaust gas. So there is no emissions. So that's the purpose of that sensor practically. It's not about mixture, it's more about if the catalytic converter is doing its job. And the upstream, okay, is right there that I showed you earlier. So what is sensor 1? Okay, bank 1 sensor 1 means guys. That means, okay, sensor 1 is the one really important for the computer. So sensor 1 is known as the upstream oxygen sensor. It's the first oxygen sensor on your exhaust system. The second one after or on the catalytic converter is known as a downstream oxygen sensor. Now, if you want to see how to test them, we have a special video that explains that. And this is guys the computer that we use for diagnostics. Many of you request that information. It works on almost any car you can think of guys. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. And what's cool about that computer, you can access every computer module in your car. You can read the lead codes and see live data, which makes it super powerful guys. And if you want to see where we got it from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.